wishes can come true.
And then it says hello on it to get your wish.
And it says happy birthday.
It says happy birthday. It says we love you, Lana and Julie. God has blessed us with our children, Mom and Dad. Okay, now here's the next thing. This is the last part of this. Okay, I have one thing for each of you guys to hold. Okay, Julie, this is yours.
Oh, that looks
Okay, and Ellie. Okay, now wait, don't open them yet, okay? All right, now, Julie, let's see now. Okay, go ahead and open them and see what's inside them. Put your lids down, put flowers up.
nothing. I'm not white ribbon.
You have a line. And what do you have? A ribbon? What do you have, Ellie? What do you have in yours?
A puppy.
A puppy, not all the fuzzies. Put them back. Okay, so Lana, we have some hints about this surprise, okay? So open up hint number 1. You might have to open it on the side. Okay, read hint number 1.
I said don't.
Read it out loud so everybody can hear.
Really loud. Prize is about as long as this way.
Ribbon. Hold the ribbon up and show everybody. Okay, so it's about as long as this ribbon. Okay, number 2. Read this one, Lana. You're welcome. Come on. Yeah, she's got the pepper. That's right.
The envelope's already open.
Okay.
Takes her too long to
Yeah.
get an envelope.
Don't rip your nose. Oh, yeah, you ripped the note. Oops. Here. Let's get the note. Okay, so hint number 2. It's all ripped apart. It's about as your fingers are moving.
About as big as this.
Line.
Hold the line up, Julie. So it's about as big as this line. Okay, now hint number 4. Read this one.
How many prizes are there?
How many puppies are there?
How many
On the
puppies?
bag. It says a hint here.
On the
It
bag.
says hint 3 puppies plus 1 puppy equals.
Ellie.
So 3 puppies plus 1
There's 3
puppy
puppies on the
equals-
bag.
Plus 1 puppy equals.
How many puppies? 4 puppies.
Four
Now
puppies.
read the last one. Last hint.
5.
There's no.
Of your box.
Read the lid of your box.
I will be a big sister again.
Nay. No.
Dirty.
Happy birthday, love, Dad and Mom.
So what's that mean?
You're going to be a big sister again.
It said I will be a big sister again.
Remember
on
what
the
you
30th.
remember what you prayed about all summer long? You prayed all summer long that you would be a big sister again.
Can you believe that, Julie? Can you believe it? You're going to be a big sister again.
You're going to have
How many puppies?
sister.
There's not going to be 3.
Your prayers got answered, Lana.
Oh. Yay. Woohoo.
Oh, honey. That was a big surprise, huh?
No,
No.
there's only one.
4 puppies.
Yeah,
I already have 3 puppies, now we have 1 more. No,
So,
there is only 1.
4 puppies.
As far as you know.
Yeah.
There's only 1.
There's only one.
I saw the picture.
Here she was. with her legs crossed, like she's not seeing.
So Logan will have a close playmate.
12
That's my brother, and he's getting ready to have his first baby, and he's having a baby boy in 3 weeks.
Oh my gosh.